It's a good thing I waited because I was putting it on the wrong way. But I already got this wheel on. Now it's time to put that wheel on. I got my little pen vise here that I'm going to use to push this down. Now it's tight and it's going to function like it's supposed to. It's the same way as this wheel. This is a wheel that I took out of the pendulum clock, but I could use this wheel now and it should work properly. So now it's time to put this thing together, and I might do that off camera. By the way, here's the click for this movement, and there's those little two wires I was telling you about. It doesn't. It'll come open, but it's got these two wires right here that forces it back. So I didn't take the spring off. I got another video out there that shows you exactly what I do to clean the spring. The spring was clean to me. It looked serviceable to me, but I got another video out there if you're curious on how I take the thing apart and put it back together. This, and I took toothpicks to all the holes, so this might, I'm hoping I'm putting this thing together right. I believe I am. Just the skimming wheel. There it goes. That's time to put, which would actually be the front plate on. Pictures. 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 I can't stress it enough. I didn't take a picture here because I'm videoing. But once I get part way, I should be good to go. And now, with my tweezers, I'm going around and putting the highest gear on. And I'm going to start some nuts. Putting the nuts on helps you. Finger tight, no tighter. And then go around with your tweezers and put the gears in their pivots, respected pivots. And if you're like me, you need a set of eyes. And if you have to force it, loosen the nut. The most important thing is to be patient. Sometimes you'll have a gear in and it pops out on you. Last gear. And there it all fell into place. Maybe. I tighten the nuts down a little bit more. As you can see, it's working, but it's not. Yeah, that's working right there. As you can see, they're all spinning, to include the main gear. If I was to tighten it up, I would have the gear spinning. But I'm going to tighten these nuts up. And I'm going to give it a little turn on the main gear. But I'm not done yet because I still have to put the hairspring in. And that can be a pain in the butt. And as you can see, when I tighten up the main gear, it's all spinning as it should. Hopefully you can see all that. It's working properly. I still have to oil it, of course, but I have to put the hairspring in. So I'm going to do that off camera because you don't want to hear me cussing. And I also have to put the pallet fork in. There's 2 wires on this pallet fork that activate the escapement wheel. I gotta put that on, and then the hairspring is what controls this. So stand by. Hopefully, I can do it. Well, I got good news and I got bad news. The good news is I fixed this, so his arm moves like it's supposed to. Once it's on the movement, it'll fit just fine. But bad news is, that's why I hate these type of clocks, is this stupid hairspring is all tangled up, and the people that deal with these clocks all the time, they know exactly what they're doing. I don't deal with hairspring clocks because I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I had it taken away for a couple ticks, but then the hairspring started messing up. And so this is probably going to be one of those clocks that I sit to the side until I learn more about the hairsprings. I got a whole pile of brand new hairsprings in my drawer over there. But they're different size hairsprings. I tried to, my problem is I can't see anymore. even with these magnifier glasses on, to see something that small. And I used to work on pocket watches. So I'm going to box all this up and put it to the side. Sorry I couldn't show y'all this clock in working condition. I'm still going to post this video because maybe I will get some good tips on repairing these stupid hairspring clocks. I've watched a few videos, and the gentleman doing the video is extremely good at fixing the hairspring, but he's been doing it for 30 plus years. He could sit there with 2 pairs of tweezers. I'm right-handed. I have to extremely focus to tighten up something with my left hand. But this gentleman, with 2 pairs of tweezers, one in his right, one in his left, he was manipulating the hairspring and fixing it. I wish he was here right now so he could give me a tip or two. But until then, this clock goes into storage. The clock didn't work. Seller said it didn't work. Can't blame the seller. Blame me because I don't know how to work on the hairspring movements. Anyway, tomorrow's a different day. I'm done for the day. May God bless each and every one of you.